I want to quickly talk to you about PayPal credit. And when you think about PayPal credit, you have a lot of options. Okay, this is not just credit card or loans, but you have working capital. You have PayPal buy now, pay later. That's the four in one, and you also have the debit card. But in today's conversation, I really want to go through all the credit options that you have through PayPal and how they can help you and how much you can actually borrow. Okay, because that's the whole idea, right? If you're considering PayPal for credit, you want to know how much they can actually lend to you and how fast you can receive the funds. So let me first talk to you about the PayPal app because if you're thinking about PayPal credit, you want to download the app right away because the app is going to help you big time. Actually, think about the app as your mobile credit provider, your credit provider on the go. You can actually apply whatever you are at. Okay, so you are able to get a quick credit line, for instance, for unexpected purchases. You can opt for a credit card that gives you up to 3% cashback on your PayPal purchases, or you can try a pay later plan that meets your needs. Everything happens through the app. You do not want to really think about PayPal credit without the app. The app is going to give you big, and you know the cool thing is sometimes through the app they'll push notifications to you. I mean, PayPal will notify you if there is a, let's say if there is an offer, and you can take advantage of that. So that's pretty good. Okay, and let me give you an example. A lot of PayPal credit card holders, they actually have gotten their credit card, their 3% cash back, their Mastercard through notifications. Okay, you can earn cash back. You can earn 1%, 2%, or 5% cash back depending on the particular transaction. You also have payments on the go, so that's kind of cool. Also through the app, you're able to settle up fast with friends, sellers, family members, and businesses. Okay, you can actually also get things done faster. I mean, the cool thing about PayPal, the PayPal app, is that you have your data in, let's say, you have an all-in-one platform. You can control all your data in an all-in-one manner. So that's really fantastic. So now let me talk to you about the PayPal credit options. If you think about PayPal this year, beside the app, everything starts from the app, okay? But now once you download the app, you can actually the first credit option is PayPal credit. When you think about PayPal credit, what do you have? Well, you have a digital credit line always on. So basically, if you let's say if you need access to a line of credit, basically you are purchasing anywhere from $149 to $10,000. You can qualify for this PayPal credit. Okay, this line of credit. So the minimum amount is $149. So if you buy anything above $149 and you want to really get access to PayPal credit, and if you are approved, you are going to pay back the line of credit within 6 to 18 months. Okay, and the cool thing is that there is no impact to your credit score if you are declined. The only thing is that for you to qualify for this PayPal credit, this line of credit, you have to really shop at a place where PayPal is accepted. So the only way for you that's why you want to really ask the store, or if you are shopping online, just make sure they accept PayPal before actually shopping there. Okay, so 6 months, okay, minimum, and if approved, PayPal credit will be instantly added to your PayPal wallet. Okay, so that's kind of cool because that's extra cash for you to use. Okay, and one thing I want to say also is that if you want to apply for a PayPal credit, basically you go through the app, you want to enter your information, you want to review terms and conditions, and you want to confirm and submit. So this is pretty fast. Okay, nothing really complicated. One thing I want to say is that just remember that the minimum purchase amount is $149. So you have to reach that threshold before you can apply for a line of credit through PayPal. Okay, $149, and there is a late fee if you don't pay the full amount. By the way, so be sure that you comply with all the rules and conditions that PayPal credit has. So if you think about the PayPal credit option, the first one is PayPal credit. Okay, this is a line of credit. The second one is actually the second one I want to talk to you today is the PayPal Cashback Mastercard. So this Mastercard allows you to have up to 3% cash back. So, but basically, you can only earn that much on your PayPal purchases. Okay, you can't really shop elsewhere and hope to actually accumulate 3%. No, it has to be on your PayPal purchases. And but if you shop elsewhere, you can only accumulate 1.5%. So you have 1%, 1.5% back on everything else, and you can use this Mastercard anywhere Mastercard is accepted. There is no annual fee, so I love that a lot. I love the fact that this card is not charging you anything. I mean, anytime you have a credit card that gives you a cash back without charging you in return, that's really great. Okay, that's really great. And what I love about this card is that you can add it to your phone's wallet and tap to pay. Okay, so that's really fantastic. You can unlock unlimited cash back. And what one thing I also love is that there are no rotating categories. I mean, you know that sometimes those credit card issuers, they're giving you 3% or 2% cash back, but they have rotating categories. So you have categories that change every month. PayPal doesn't have that. So that's kind of cool because you are able to actually just collect points like on a consistent basis. Okay, so that's really fantastic. And one thing I also love is that you have flexibility. Okay, you can pay with peace of mind. So with the Mastercard ID theft protection benefits, you will be alerted to a possible identity theft. Let's say a friend or let's say someone actually is taking your card and actually going shopping without your knowledge. Basically, you have the ability to get informed. So that's really fantastic. And you can apply if you want to apply. Basically, there is no impact on your credit score. Basically, you you got to be 18 years old and at least and reside in the U.S. or its territories to actually apply. So you cannot really apply if you're overseas. So something to be aware of. But other than that, the card is pretty simple to apply for. There is no impact to your credit bureau score if you are declined. So that's really cool. Okay, fantastic. The third PayPal credit options I want to share with you is the BNPL, the Buy Now Pay Later. Okay, so the Buy Now Pay Later is a cool way to actually spread the cost of a product or a service over time. So that's really fantastic. So basically, you can pay over time with no late fees, and you can choose from smart options like pay in four or pay monthly. So when it comes to the buy now, pay later at PayPal, you have two options. You can pay in four or you can pay monthly, depending on how much you think you can afford. Okay, so if you want to really, one thing I need to insist on is that this option, the PayPal buy now, pay later option, is available at millions of stores. So you don't have to shop online to actually qualify for this BNPL option. Okay, and here also you can apply for paying for without impacting your credit score. So that's really fantastic. Also, if you're worried about having a low APR, I mean a low APR, a low credit score, basically having a credit product that doesn't check your credit score is really fantastic. And you have two ways to pay, right? Pay in four or pay monthly. So when I say a pay in four, you're basically splitting your purchase into a four interest-free bi-weekly payments. So here you have purchases from $30 to $1,500. So for you to qualify for the pay in four at PayPal, you got to spend anywhere from $30 to $1,500. Okay, and you have four payments over 6 weeks, and there are no sign up or late fees. So that's really fantastic. So that's the first option. The second option is that you have the capability to pay monthly. So you can enjoy the flexibility of 3, 6, 12 or 24-month payment plans with zero down. Okay, but this applies to larger amounts. So you have purchases from $49 to $10,000. Okay, you have monthly installments, so that's really good, and you have no sign up fee or no late fee, so that's also fantastic. So I'm showing you on the screen here the compare and contrast between paying for and paying monthly. So you can see the purchase amounts, the number of payments, the time between payments. Okay, biweekly versus monthly, the APR. So APR on the pay monthly goes from 10% to 36%. The repayment method that they accept, the purchase protection. So the cool thing about any PayPal transaction is that you have a purchase protection included. So that's really good because something were to happen, at least you are able to get your cash back. Okay, there are no late fees in both programs, and there are also no sign up fees. So that's really cool. And you also have auto pay available, so you can pay automatically. By the way, okay. So I'm showing you basically how do you go through the BNPL process. How do you buy now, pay later through PayPal? You want to check out with PayPal, so you always want to check out with PayPal. Let's say you are at Best Buy, or you are at Walmart, or you are any places, Macy's, whatever. You want to choose the PayPal at checkout, PayPal option at checkout. That's the only way you will be considered for the program. Okay, and then once you have to decide whether you want to pay in full or you want to pay monthly. Again, you decide. Okay, and you get a quick decision. I mean, the decision is instantaneous. Okay, and based on the decision, you can choose you know what you have to pay. Now you can pay your monthly loan early. Okay, and there's no early payment penalty. There's none. Okay, and if you want to use buy now pay later, you got to really ask yourself, maybe it's just better to get a regular loan. I mean, maybe this could be the solution, instead of actually paying for stuff that you cannot pay. I mean, shopping for stuff that you cannot pay for right away. Maybe it's just better to get a regular loan. So it's something to really think about. So when you think about PayPal credit options, I want you to think about the PayPal debit card. Now, this is not a credit option, but I wanted to put it here. The same way I put the PayPal app, I just wanted to give you some information about it. The reason why I'm giving you information about it is that this debit card actually earns cash back, and earns cash back big time. You are able to earn 5% cash back. That's really fantastic. Okay. So you can shop in stores or online whenever a MasterCard is accepted. Plus, you can get 5% cash back in the monthly category of your choice. So that's really fantastic. Okay. So you pick a category every month. This can be gas, groceries, and more. Then you get 5% cash back on up to $1,000 spent in your cashback category per month. Use your card, anywhere MasterCard is accepted. So that's really cool. And the only thing is that a PayPal balance account is required to get the PayPal debit card. Okay, just be aware of that. And what I love about this debit card is that you can earn cash back as you shop. I mean, because you'll be shopping anyway with the card, right? I mean, with another card or this card, so you are able to get things done faster, and you can. It's a really you're able to withdraw cash at ATMs, okay, around the world. That's really fantastic. You're also able to do a couple of things with this card. You can really find cashback offers from top brands in the PayPal app. That's going back to what I said. You really want to download this app anyway. You can also receive money through the debit card. You have auto reload. You can transfer money. You have direct deposit. You can add cash in store, or you can also cash a check. So that's really cool. And the setup is really fast. When it comes to the PayPal debit card, really, really fast. This is something that I have seen time and again. You can just pick your category, make it mobile, and basically you can pay everywhere that the Mastercard is accepted. Okay, so that's really fantastic. So you just have to trust the process to really go through everything. So when you think about PayPal credit options, I just want you to remember that it's not about it's not about a large loan amount. You're not going to get a large credit product. You're not getting 25,000 or 50,000 or $100,000. You're getting maximum $10,000. Even $10,000. That's for the BNPL option. Okay, this is not even in your line of credit. The line of credit they cap you at 1,500 or maximum 3,000. Okay, that's the line of credit. But the buy now, pay later can it really extend you all the way to 10 grand, but you have to pay over 36 months maximum. What I want to say is that this is not a large loan amount, but it's pretty convenient because PayPal as a payment processor is used all over the world and millions of businesses trust the PayPal brand. So that just means that your ability to be approved for a PayPal credit is even higher because millions of stores, millions of businesses are already using PayPal, okay, as their payment processor. So that's really good. And one thing I want to say is that even though you're not getting 50,000 or 25,000, having this convenience to tap into a line of credit every now and then is really good. And if you're lucky, you can even get the PayPal credit card. PayPal credit card can give you a line of credit that goes all the way to $25,000. Although the average that I have seen is around $8,000. $8,000, that's the limit they will give you. And based on your card usage, okay, your credit card usage, they may actually increase the limit to you or the limit for you over time. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. But overall, one thing I need to say before closing today's conversation is that when it comes to PayPal credit, just remember that it's all about convenience. It's all about you downloading the app in the first place. Please download the app so you can really do everything on a mobile basis. You don't have to go to a computer to apply for PayPal credit. Anytime you shop online, you can do everything from your mobile phone. So that's really fantastic. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about PayPal credit options. I spoke about the PayPal app, the PayPal credit options, PayPal credit, PayPal cashback, Mastercard, buy now, pay later, and the PayPal debit card. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.